So at Tradesformation, we have specialty coaches. So we have James and Monica, myself. We also have Jelly. However, everyone has a specialty. Jelly is a ServiceMate partner, is absolutely a guru with all things ServiceMate, forms, etc. So we have someone to go to, a go-to person. Monica is our management accountant. She is our numbers guru. Absolute weapon with a spreadsheet and comes up with dashboards and spreadsheets and KPIs and benchmarks and absolutely blows people out of the water with her knowledge of numbers. And then we have James. James is actually wearing two hats at the moment. He's our operations coach as well as our marketing coach, has a degree in both of them. In fact, I'm the only team member that doesn't have a university degree. James, Monica and Jelly all have degrees in their chosen field. James, as I mentioned, is our operations manager and our marketing manager, and he also coaches those two roles. And if you ever have a chat to some of our other clients, they'll tell you that all three, including, I don't want to talk about myself in this one, but all three of my coaches are world class.